Hello everyone, in this lecture we're going to understand data types in Python. So Python has different type of data. The first is string that I earlier told you. So name is equal to Tanya. I'll write, and you can see that I use double inverted commas to write the name of the person. Now I'll enter this and I want to print name. I got Tanya. So this is basically a string, and a string is always contained in a double inverted commas. Let's move on to the next data type, which is integer. So integer, suppose I write age is equal to 19 and I want to print age. I got 19. Now 19 is a integer. So if I want to know what is the type of my age, so what will I write? Print type age, which is integer. And I want to know about the type of data of name. So print type name, which is string. Yeah, name is a string as I earlier told you, and age is an integer because it's a number and not in inverted commas. Let's move on to the third data type, which is float. So basically float is a decimal form. For example, I'll write height is equal to 14.7 and I want to print this height. I got 14.7. That means it is in a decimal form, and if I want to know about the type of the height, what is my height type? So I'll write print type height, which is a float. And if I change my height, which is 14, okay, let's suppose it's 12, print type of height. Now it's integer. Now this is an integer because it doesn't contain any decimal, and this is a float because it contains a decimal form, and that's why my height previously comes float and my height now comes integer because I change my data in a height. So I hope you understand these three data types. Let's move on to the last but not the least, which is Boolean. So Boolean is a data type which contains only true or false. Okay, I want to open my new file. I'll open my new file, and in the previous lecture I was not aware that I didn't tell you the underscore meaning. So this underscore means that you cannot write a space in a variable. Like you cannot write like this. You have to write something. You have to write dot, or you have to write this underscore. So underscore basically means a space in this variable format. So here, and I'll write here is name is equal to false. So I want to print name underscore sign. Let's run it. Okay. Okay, so yes, we did a little bit of mistake in our code. You have to write capital T, and you have to write capital F. Okay, now it's a true or false for Python. Yes, so it's a true. Okay, and if I want to print is name, that means this one, my answer should come false because in is name I write false. So let's print it. Yes, I got false. That's what I want. So I hope you understand the data types in Python. In the next lecture, we'll learn more about the operators and in Python code and how we can use the operators in coding. So meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.